Heartbroken and missing your ex? Let's turn things around. Breakups are tough, but getting your ex back doesn't have to be. Here are 5 simple steps to win them over again. Step 1. Give them space. It might sound counterintuitive, but everyone needs time to cool off and reflect. Step 2. Work on yourself. Focus on hobbies, exercise, and self-improvement. A better you makes you more attractive. Step 3. Reconnect casually. Send a friendly text or share a fun memory. Keep it light and pressure-free. Step 4. Show genuine change. Actions speak louder than words. Demonstrate that you've grown and learned. Step 5. Be patient. Love takes time to rekindle. Stay positive and hopeful. Remember, relationships are a two-way street. Follow these steps, and you might just find your way back to each other. You've got this.